Today we are going to talk about how to find the summation of a finite arithmetic sequence. And here's an example. We're going to find a 300th partial sum of an arithmetic sequence 4, 5, 6, 7, and so forth. Now, clearly sum means the result of addition, so we're going to add them up. And we're not going to look at the whole sequence. We're only going to look at a part, hence partial. Now specifically the 300th partial, so that means the first 300 numbers of this pattern. So in order to add the first 300 numbers of this pattern, there is an equation. The equation for a finite arithmetic sequence, the sum of that is S sub n equals a sub 1 plus a sub n divided by 2. Now, n represents how many numbers are you adding. So in this case, I want to add up the first 300 numbers of this pattern, which I know is arithmetic because for the fact that if you look from 4 to 5 is plus 1, and 5 to 6 is plus 1, and 6 to 7 is plus 1. So clearly this is an arithmetic sequence. So what will go in n in this case is we're going to add up 300 numbers. So that will be 300. Wherever I see the letter n, I am going to put 300. So I'm just going to copy the equation here. And I have n, which once again I'm putting 300, and another n, so 300 again divided by 2. And this means I want the first number of the pattern, which clearly is 4, plus the 300th number of the pattern, which right now I don't know what it is. So I gotta figure it out. And at this point, you should have learned how to write an equation for an arithmetic sequence, which is an equals a1 plus the common difference times n minus 1. The first number of this pattern is 4. The common difference is positive 1. We're going to add 1. And here is the equation for this arithmetic sequence. Now, I'm going to use that equation to specifically find the 300th number of this pattern. And that's why I'm going to put 300. So wherever I see the letter n, I am putting 300. So to find the 300th number, I have to do 4 plus, this simplifies to 299 times 1, which is 299, and 4 plus 299 is 303. So I'm going to take the 303 and I'm go ahead and plug it in here to replace the 300th number. 300 divided by 2 is 150. 4 plus 303 is 307, and we have multiplied by 150. I'm going to go ahead and use a calculator to finish it off. So I got to take 307 and I'm going to multiply it by 150, and that gives me 46,050. And that is the result of you adding every single number from the first number of 4 to the 300th number of 303. And that's how you add a sum, the sum of finite arithmetic sequence.